Hey there everybody, my name is Karen Barrows and welcome to this video. Addicted to Art has asked me to do this lesson to help young artists learn more about different types of art and techniques. This video will show you how to draw a person's nose. In the previous videos, we've been drawing both a head and an eye. Now with this, how we're going to start with this is just we're going to draw a small, simple circle. Doesn't have to be perfect or anything, just a normal regular circle. And then once we're done with that, we are going to be drawing a line at the bottom of it, just like right across. And this line is also going to indicate where on the face it is going to be, and also that our nose is straight. Now we're just going to draw two simple circles on each side. Make sure it's a little bit indent into the larger circle and not too much or not too far apart, otherwise it won't really look like a nose. Do it on the other side as well. Make sure the small circles are also the exact same size. Try and make it the exact same size. If it's not, then it's okay. You see mine aren't really, but it doesn't matter right now. And yeah, and you see all our three circles are still on the line and are in place. So yeah, make sure you can see the lines very carefully, because that's going to be very important where we're going to actually start on us. With the bridge of the nose, we're just going to do a curve to the top. Now when the end of the curve on the top normally stops at our eyebrows. Remember that if you're drawing your nose. And yeah, and it always connects to the two small circles. And yeah, and then we're going to draw a little cupid's bow at the bottom. That's going to connect to our lips. Basically the nose connects to both the eyes and the lips, so it's basically our most important part in our drawings. I'm just taking a normal pen that I normally write with and just trying to outline where our actual nose is going to be. I'm just going to do the outline of the two circles and at the bottom of the big circle, and that's basically where our nose is going to be. And I'm just going to draw the little two holes where we breathe through, because if we don't have that, we'll probably die. I'm joking, I'm sorry. And yeah, and then there we go. This, me drawing with the pen, is just indicating to you where it's going to be. I'm just erasing out the circles to show you that there is our nose that we are going to be drawing. This is a nice simple nose guideline. If you have any more questions or anything, please do ask, and please do support Addicted to Art and everything, and we're making a huge effort here. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.